Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix text notification sound not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. So if you want to fix this problem, so turn on notifications. After turn on notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, and you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, if you want to fix this problem, so clear cache app data. So click on data. So here showing you data, click on data and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After clear cache app data, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix text notification sound not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.